Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to simplify fractions to its prime form, or also sometimes referred to as the simplified form. Let us take an example and then try to understand how to simplify fractions. Let us say we have a fraction 6 over 8 and we want to write it in its simplest form. So the way we can do that is as follows. Step number 1, we take 6 over 8 and then we're going to then say 6 and 8 are multiples of a common number if we know our 2 times table. 2 times 3 is 6 and then 2 times 4 is 8, and therefore when the numbers in the numerator and the numbers in the denominator are common, we can simplify them. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore what we're left with here is 3 over 4. So therefore 3 over 4 in step number 2, we can then come back and then say 3 over 4 is the simplified form, or the prime form of the fraction 6 over 8. That is our answer. That is where we want to leave it. Let us look at another example. Let's look at another example. In this example, we want to write 18 over 36 in its simplest form. We have a fraction 18 over 36 and we want to write it in its simplest form. So let us follow these steps. Step number 1, 18 over 36. 18 and 36 are multiples of a common number. If we know our 9 times table, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 4 is 36. Now, as a first step, when the numbers in the numerator and denominator are multiples of one another, we can cancel them out. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9. What we are left with here is 2 over 4. If you look at this, we can simplify this some more. 4 is a multiples of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, here again we can come back and then say 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. We can simplify it that way, and therefore we are left with a fraction 1 over 2, like that. So therefore 1 over 2 is a equivalent 1 over is the simplest form of 18 over 36. Another way we could have done it is as follows. 18 and 36. If we know our 18 times table, 18 times 1 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36. So therefore 18 and 18 cancels out, leaving us with 1 over 2. Therefore 1 over 2 is the simplified form of the fraction 18 over 36. So either way, we should be able to arrive at the same answer. Another way of looking at it is, let us say we have 18 over 36, and this time let us say we know our 6 times table. Let's say we know our 6 times table. So in this case, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 and 6, 6 in the numerator, 6 in the denominator, we can cancel them out. They go in each of them one time. What we're left with here is 3 over 6. 6 is the multiples of 3. The way we can write it is 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, we can cancel out the numbers which are common in the numerator and denominator. So therefore we are left with 1 over 2. No matter what we did here, 18 over 36, the simplest form is 1 over 2. If we know our 6 times table, we simplified it to 1 over 2. If we knew our 18 times table, we came up with 1 over 2, and if we knew our 9 times table, we came up with 1 over 2. No matter which way we do it, depending upon our comfort level, we should be able to arrive at the simplest form by using our times tables. In my next presentation, we shall see how to simplify fractions to its simplest form, some more examples of fractions in their simplest form.